Hello friends, how are you doing? So today I was just thinking while I was driving and came across a thought which I wanted to share with you, and that is, in today's world we are all used to having simple solutions and stereotype solutions. Let's say health regarding कि 10,000 steps चलो और सब अच्छा हो जाएगा, या फिर इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग, या फिर 1 hour of वर्कआउट, सुबह उठ के मेथी का पानी पियो, etc. And we are used to it, and so we want simple solutions which we can use and instantly follow. But वही चीज जब when it comes to finance, it's very complicated, right? कि किसको क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए, किसको क्या नहीं, कोई यंग है, कोई मिडिल एज है, कोई रिटायरमेंट के करीब है, एंड हाउ कैन वी हैव द सेम सोल्यूशन फॉर ऑल. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई वांट टू शेयर अ पर्टिकुलर थॉट विद यू. To simplify this, we can think in, first of all, not in money. 5,000 का SIP सबके लिए सेम नहीं है. For a college going student, it's good. For a middle age with family, it may not suffice. और जो रिटायरमेंट के करीब है उसके लिए तो काम का ही नहीं है, कि इनकम ही नहीं है तो 5,000 का SIP करके क्या मतलब है, राइट? तो सिंपल करने के लिए आई जस्ट थॉट इफ वी कैन थिंक इन परसेंटेज, लेट्स स्टार्ट नॉट थिंकिंग इन money but in percentage. That is the first clue. Second clue, you want to divide it in a very simple formula which I want to share with you. So first formula is for anybody who is youngster in college or about to start his job. 30% of your salary should be saved and invested, period. How? In 3 goals. First goal, 10% towards your retirement. Second goal, 10% towards your emergencies and opportunities that you may discover in life. And third and the most important goal is to launch yourself towards higher altitude in your career, so that you can achieve an MBA degree, you can achieve a particular qualification. So it should go towards doing courses that can take you higher in your career, right? Second category is for middle age, let's say from 30 to 45, 50 years. Somebody who is starting family or somebody who is already having family. Again, 30% should be saved, but for 5 goals. First goal should be your retirement. Second goal should be towards any kind of emergencies. Third goal should be towards your child's education. Fourth goal should be towards upgrading your house if at all required. Fifth can be a shorter term goal, which can be towards buying a car or a vacation, etc. Right? When I say 5 goals, again divide equally, 5%, 6% each. Right? Now comes the last category. Now it is a little tricky. Now you are nearing your retirement. SIPs won't work, right? So it's all about doing lump sum investments if you are around 55 to 60, if you are getting your retirement fund and things like that. Divide into 3 parts. First should be towards your immediate income, retirement income, right? Second should be towards any kind of medical emergencies that may arise. And third should be towards your later retirement. Now when I'm saying later retirement, for me retirement is in 2 parts. First, 60 to 75. Then comes later retirement, that is from 75 towards the later stage of your life. And hence you should not dig into your later retirement earlier in the earlier phase of your retirement. You need to be very particular about that. So this is how I will want to divide my finances and take it when it comes to financial planning, right? So yeah, that was just a small thought that I wanted to share. I'll share many such small thoughts with you soon. Bye bye, have a nice day.